I'm Heather Johnson. I teach 3rd grade here at Lake Forest Elementary. My favorite technology to use in the classroom with my students is a Mimeo board. It turns my whiteboard into an interactive smartboard that I can use with my students every day. Have you wanted to use a multimedia cart in your classroom? Do you have a multimedia cart on your grade level and not know how to use it? This video will demonstrate how to power up everything on the cart, toggle between the different tools, and show you how to properly shut down the equipment. Our technology champions will model each step. Feel free to pause this video at any time so you can complete the steps along with us. You'll have your multimedia cart ready to use in no time. Follow along with the written directions the first time you watch this training. Then replay the video and try to follow along by completing each step of the directions on the cart.
Hi, I'm Young Graves and I teach 5th grade here at Lake Forest Elementary. My favorite part of the multimedia cart is using the Mimeo. The Mimeo is very interactive. You can get online, you can play games, and the students are really involved in the process. The students learn quickly how to calibrate, how to use different functions of the Mimeo, and like I said, it's very interactive. The first step is to be sure to plug in your extension cord, which is a part of the multimedia cart, and then next you want to plug in your multimedia cable to your laptop. Okay, 4 squares will project onto your screen showing you how to zoom, adjust the height of the projector, and to focus. And number 4 tells you to press enter. Pressing enter will get you started.
Hi, I'm Lisa Cleveland and I teach kindergarten here at Lake Forest Elementary School. And my favorite part of technology is the wiki. Now that we're connected to the laptop and turn on the LCD projector, let's talk about the document camera, the Elmo, which is right here. The Elmo, you press the square button right here and it's red right now, but then it will turn blue. You can now use the Elmo to show what's on the stage, which is right here. Using the stage is the white plastic board, and you can show a book or an object or anything that you project. The Elmo, somewhat like a video camera, the silver neck of the Elmo can be turned 180 degrees like this. Turn it like this, clockwise. The head of the Elmo, which is the white part of this Elmo here, can also be turned. The lens can be rotated 180 degrees also. The entire neck of the Elmo, which is right here, can be also turned around like this, the entire neck, to adjust it up and down. The zooming lens, which is right here on the side, which is the white part, can be turned near you to zoom in or zoom out. Focusing on the head, you press the orange button right here to do an autofocus. Adjusting the brightness, there's a key right here. If you need more light on your head of the Elmo, in the front there's a little button that you can just press and it can turn on and off. If you need to pause it at any time, there's an hourglass in the center of the gray circles and it will freeze the image, and press it again if you need to unfreeze it.
Hi, I'm Jenny LeClaire. I teach 2nd grade here at Lake Forest Elementary. My favorite part of using the multimedia cart is showing Discovery education videos. To use your laptop, switch to the laptop by pressing the picture of a laptop on the base of the Elmo or on the remote. You might see a note vision on the screen. Press Function and F8 at the same time on your keyboard. Give it a second or two, and you now have a blurry image being projected. You can still see the same image on your laptop. using the sliding tabs on the projector near the lens to adjust. Press Function and F8 at the same time again. Now you can only see the image on the screen, not your laptop. Do you need sound too? Speaking of sound, plug in the speakers to your laptop.
Hello, I'm Erica Brinson. I teach first grade here at Lake Forest Elementary School. My favorite part of the multimedia cart is the document camera here in the middle, also called the Elmo. I enjoy using it to videotape my students, where I can turn it this way and focus it on them, and they love to see themselves. I also enjoy using it to draw pictures and take pictures of what I'm doing for children to use later. Today I'm going to help you learn about using the active slate. So you're going to need the active slate and the active hub. On the active hub there's a little top, take it off, and you're going to plug it into the USB port on the side of your computer. There will be a thing that pops up on your computer that tells you that it has been found, so mine has been found. Once you find your active slate, there is an orange button on the back to turn it on. You will see a battery charge picture on the front to let you know that it is working. To begin using your active slate, you use the pen. Don't worry, you won't break it. The next thing that you'll need to know is that when you are using the active slate, you can click on things or just hover to move your cursor. When you hover, you're holding the active slate or it's on a student's desk, and you keep the pen off of the board and it moves the cursor around. To move the cursor, hovering, and then you click once hard and you can move it around or click on things. And you can double click twice.
Okay. Hi, I'm Allison Tabor and I teach 4th grade here at Lake Forest Elementary. My favorite use of the multimedia cart is using the document camera during math. I like to put a paper up here and underline keywords and circle keywords, show the students exactly how to solve each problem and exactly how I want them to set up their paper and different things like that. So that's my favorite use of the multimedia cart. When you're finished using the cart, the first thing you need to do is turn off the LCD projector down here, and you will push the power button 2 times. It's the square button that's outlined in red. And then you can also use the power button on the remote control to turn it off. Then you would need to turn off the Elmo. Then you need to turn off the speakers down at the bottom by turning the volume dial all the way until the red light goes off. And then you need to unplug the speakers from your laptop. Next, you would unplug the multimedia cable from your laptop. It will usually take about 1 or 2 minutes for the fan to cool down, and that's when it'll be safe to unplug the multimedia cart from the power source in the wall. You would just unplug the extension cord and make sure that you lock up your multimedia cart in your closet each and every day. So now that you've practiced setting up the multimedia cart, it should get easier and easier to do over time. You could keep step-by-step directions on your multimedia cart to reference as needed. Start small, choose one subject. I chose math to begin, and then you can work your way up as you feel more comfortable to start using it in every subject. And make sure you share your ideas with your grade level team.